Hi, I'm NikiHiggins with Luxury by the Beach at Douglas Elliman, and we are here at 2712 North Atlantic Boulevard in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This home is the perfect seaside retreat. With some citrus trees over here, this beautiful garden. Here's a banana plant. As you come to the front door, you can already see out to the ocean. Welcome. Isn't this beautiful? Everywhere that you look, you see the ocean calling you, beckoning. I love this house. Perfectly appointed kitchen. Beautiful staircase. This is the movie theater, which could also be a bedroom. Behind that door is the laundry room, which also goes to the outside. And this is the cabana bathroom. So you can pop in for a quick shower from the pool. Now we're going to go to the second floor, and I just love the staircase. Look at that view. There are windows everywhere, so you really feel at one with nature. And now we're going into the master bedroom. Wow. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? Just imagine waking up to this every day. Just beautiful. And now I'm going into the master bathroom, which is also beautifully appointed with everything you could possibly need. You even get an ocean view on the bathtub. This is the bathroom for the two bedrooms up here. Here we go into the second bedroom. Also a nice spacious room. And this is the third bedroom. Perfect. And we've got storage here. I can open the door. And now I'm going to the third floor, where there is the most magnificent terrace. Everywhere on the staircase are windows. So this is the third floor terrace. Look at this. Plenty of room for chairs and a table. Just beautiful. You can look down over the pool. And there's more. This is the observation deck. Get the city view at night. Just a perfect place to read a book, do some meditation. This location, the neighborhood is absolutely magical. People actually talk to each other in the morning and say hello. You're only 20 minutes from the airport, 10 minutes from Whole Foods and Publix, and many restaurants. And now I'm going to show you a surprise. I'm going back into the master bedroom. Wow. Look at that. The sliding glass doors fold all the way back. So on cool evenings, you just lay here in bed with all the doors open, breathing the beautiful ocean breezes. And now I'm going to take you outside, down by the pool. I really love this house. So this is a lovely pool, one of the bigger pools on the ocean here in Fort Lauderdale Beach. Just beautiful. It doesn't get any better than this. If you'd like more information, please call me 954-817-2500. I look forward to seeing you soon.